How to make your photo Ultra HD on Wink app. Open the Wink application on your device. Tap on the option Quality Enhancer that you can see on the screen. Now you can enhance the quality of your photo. You can see various options over here. Make sure to select this option for Ultra HD. Tap on the option Try Now. Now select the photos for which you want to enhance the quality. You can select up to 20 photos. Once you do that, tap on the option Start that you can see on the screen. Wait for the processing to be completed. Now you can see over here the photo quality will be enhanced to Ultra HD. Tap on the option Save in order to save it. Now it has been saved to the album. Like this, you can enhance the photo quality to Ultra HD on Wink. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.